Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to clear a cache on TikTok by iOS or iPhone to get more extra storage or space on your phone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the TikTok application. Okay, when you are in the home section, make sure that you go in the profile sections here. When you are in the profile section, make sure you go into this three straight line in the upper right corner, and after that go settings and privacy. And here you just need to scrolling down until you found a charge and cellular. Just need to go click free up space, and here you just need to go click clear the charge. By click it, you will have like 160 MB. You also make sure that you read the information first before you clear it. Okay, so downloads may include ebooks, filter, stickers, online videos, and virtual gift downloaded in your app. Means that when you clear this, you will like clear the ebook that you already saved, the filters that you already saved, and stickers that you already saved. When you deal with that, just go click clear and confirm it. So you can also manage your draft. I already like take 1.5 gigabyte of storage for my draft, but I don't want to clear it, so yeah, I'll just let it go. So that's the way, guys, how to clear charge on TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.